everyone, and good morning. Oh my gosh, right, so it is, I'm so sorry, I've got all my bits all around me. I don't know, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning here in the UK. I am feeling a little bit more positive today, but I don't know if that's because yesterday I guess everyone in the UK was expecting lockdown in certain areas and things to change a bit more, but our Prime Minister here didn't really change that much. Now, this is just my opinion. I don't think he's doing enough, especially in London, because he's still allowing the tube and everything, and if Spain and Italy are anything to go by, their death toll has actually overtaken China. And I don't know if it was the Italian Prime Minister, but I saw somebody speaking on the news saying that our government's not doing enough and we're going to be in the same situation if they do not act. So it's, everyone's still going about their business here where I live anyway. There obviously people are doing self-isolation, but a lot of people are ignoring it and just out and about still. If I looked out my window now, there's buses going past and all sorts. So I don't know. I don't know. It's all very confusing. I think we've just got to listen to our gut feelings as far as what we believe and what we think is the best for us and our families. And but we also need to think about everyone else, and I truly believe that a lot of people, and I'm sorry, this is my opinion, think, oh, they're just going to get flu, a mild case of flu, and they're just not really worrying about the consequences to other people. And sorry, Charlie's just frowning at me. It's quite worrying, I did go out the other day. I literally went to 3 shops, I lie. But I ran in and I ran out. I didn't, I went out for a mercy mission, really, because, my daughter is stranded in with 4 children and didn't get chance to prepare for this because, they were at school one minute and then the next day they had a temperature and the whole family had to isolate. So I had to do something. I feel for the kids. I wanted to go get them some craft stuff, so they can be busy, and it's going to be hard, So yeah, I did go out, but I said from yesterday, that is it now. I am in, apart from to get food, and that's it. And you can't even get home delivery at the minute. I ordered some last week and it was 5 days to get home delivery, and then when the delivery came, half of the things were out of stock, so I didn't get necessities anyway. So it's difficult. My little rant for the morning anyway. I am feeling positive. Yesterday I had a wobble. Excuse me, I'm so sorry about this cough. I think this is just my normal health issues. I don't think this is coronavirus. It's not a dry cough, it's more a chesty thing, and me, I get coughs a lot anyway, so I don't think I feel fine other than that. Right, so I went on a bit of a wobble there. So hi to everybody. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my mission, shall we call it, to try and be here as a support network for you all. I've had a wonderful response, so it's my hello to everybody at the moment. So let me just get my little book. Okay, so firstly, just want to say hi and hugs to everybody and to these people. So firstly, Joanne Sanderson, hi my lovely. She did put on a comment that she has been having panic attacks and that they are a bit better. Now I need to tell you what happened yesterday. and explain this a little bit more. Joanne and Christine Mortimer, you know, two of my very, very special people, and I speak to them on the phone, and yesterday I spoke to both of them, you know, and I was having a bit of a wobble day yesterday, and Joanne, bless her, was feeling all right, and then after I spoke to her, she said to me, oh my gosh, Chanel, you're giving me panic attacks. So Joanne, I am really sorry. Thank you so much for being there to listen to me, and also Mummy C. It was lovely to see you yesterday. I got my Facebook portal, which I am going to be doing a video or something on that, and I'm going to talk about Facebook portal in a minute once I've said all my hellos. Very important, so keep listening. Anywho, so poor Joanne was feeling okay, and then I kind of bummed her out, and she was there for me, and thank you so much. I mean, I have, you know, a handful of people that I can talk to, so I'm very lucky, Joanne being one of them, Christine Mortimer, my mummy C, my daughter obviously, but I try not to you know, be too down with her. And it's, I don't try and be down with anybody, if you know what I mean, but you know, she's my child still, even though she's 32, and I know she's having a hard time at the moment. She's really poorly herself. She has tonsillitis, she's in bed. Oh, it's just, you know, it's times like this when I can't help, because she's ill in bed. Thank goodness her husband is at home, but he's supposed to be working from home, now can't. And, you know, so they're not well. It's not coronavirus, I don't think. We think it's tonsillitis. But anyway, I've gone off on a tangent. But my point is this, poor Joanne. Thank goodness she's feeling a lot better now. So I do apologise, and thank you so much, Joanne, for being there for me. And Mummy C. Right, okay, so then we have Tatty Treasures, who I have said hello to several times. She, excuse me, was saying yesterday that you know, she has a YouTube channel, and she's going to try and do a face-to-face at the weekend, so that would be lovely to look forward to. So her link is down below, and I will keep adding people's links as more people tell me about the channels. Excuse me, because, you know, YouTube is definitely a way to connect, to be there for other people. It's very therapeutic, it's helpful. I'm going to start coughing now. I'm going to have a huge coughing fit. So I want to help support your channel. So let me know if you've got a channel, what kind of things you do on the channel, so I can tell everyone, and we can pop over and we can all help each other out. So she's going to be doing a face-to-face at the weekend, which we look forward to. Then we have Crafty Alley Creates. She is self-isolating due to health conditions as well. Okay, sorry, yeah, I thought I had something else to read there. But so Crafty Alley Creates, self-isolating due to health conditions. Then we've got Looks Like Crafts, Claire, who has a channel. She hasn't been very well, so she will be doing a video this week. So I will link her video, or I will link the video when she puts the video up. Link her channel, I should say. So we look forward to that, Claire, very much so. And then Debbie L from the USA, my lovely Debbie. She is from New York, and she was just saying that obviously, you know, it's New York has been a pretty scary time as well, and she wanted to lighten things up a little bit with some things, a couple of things that she had, a few sayings that she had read recently. So number one, so I'm going to read it as she wrote it. So technically showing up at the bank with a mask and gloves is now okay? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Very true. How they can't stop them going in the bank now with a mask and gloves on. And also the second one, so September morning 2050, so we're moving on 30 years time. John opened the last package of toilet paper bought by his parents in 2020. Yes, We cannot get loo rolls for love nor money over here. Well, I can't. I even ordered some online. They haven't turned up. I've been and bought loads of kitchen roll though, so we've got backup plan. A little update from Jillian Holbrook. I forgot to say, she works in the health industry, health sector in the UK, so she cannot self-isolate. So a big thank you from us in the UK for everything that you were doing. And I know that people working in the health industry, you know, it must be a very scary time because you're in the front line. So thank you from us all for being there for us, Jillian. Then we have Always Believe, who is in New Jersey, US. She had a chuckle as she said that she can still get groceries and beer in her local area. So all good. We might be needing beer. And then a big hello to Rose Kettleson. So that there are my hellos for today. Hi to everybody. I had said to you in video 1, so we're on I'm on day 4 now. I had said in video 1 that I'm here for you via email. It's down below. I also have Facebook. I am Chanel Wise, W-I-S-E. I will put a link to my name, or so you can search for me on Facebook, so that if you want to messenger and say hi, you want to chat, I'm there. Plus also I have Facebook portal now. Now this is really exciting. So anyone that wants to add me as a friend on Facebook, on the Facebook portal, which I am going to do a little video on in the next couple of days, you can add up to 7 people. So maybe if I get enough people together from our community here on YouTube, we could have a little group chit chat and get to see everybody. Okay, so that's an option as well. Or if not, if there's just 1 or 2 of you, me and you could have a chat, you know. So there is that option as well. We could get to see the faces behind the names. How exciting. Facebook portal is very cool. You can get Spotify on it, and you watch YouTube videos. There's a browser, there's other things on there. So it's very, very cool. Now the next bit of news that I have, I'm going to try and do a YouTube live stream later on today. Now I'm going to do it at 3 p.m. UK time, so that's in 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6 hours time. So hopefully it's enough time for some of you to see this video, because what I'm a bit worried about is that I do YouTube live and nobody turns up to chat with me. That would not be cool. So I'm hoping at least one of you comes and joins me, and I'm going to do a little kind of just going to say have a chat, a little chit chatty thing, and then if it works out all right, then I will do maybe tomorrow do a live little tutorial where you can interact and tell me what bit you think I should use, or any ideas that you have on the project that I'm going to do. So that will be fun too. So 3 p.m. today, I am going to try. I'm not worried about doing the actual video. I think I know how to do it. I've watched a tutorial, but it's I want to see the chat. So and I've lost my tablet. I don't know where it is, because I don't know if I could log into my YouTube on my tablet and watch the video, or have it on, like, you know, my tablet so I can see on a bigger screen, or I just have to watch it on my phone and hope that I don't miss anyone's messages. It's trial and error, so bear with me at 3 p.m. today. Very exciting. So this is a quickish video. Look out for the Facebook, the YouTube live video later on, where it's just going to be a test and we can have a little chat and say hi, and I just want to see how it works really, and then if it works out fine, I'll do a tutorial tomorrow or something. Okay, so I will see you later on. Mwah.